Welcome to telaHosting. How to set up Microsoft 365 email DNS records in cPanel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up all the DNS records needed to connect Microsoft 365 email to your domain using cPanel. Once this is done, all your emails will route through Microsoft's server. To understand why this matters, DNS records are essentially the address book of the internet, so when someone sends you an email, DNS records tell the servers exactly where to deliver it. For Microsoft 365 to work properly, you need to set up 4 types of records: MX records to direct incoming emails to Microsoft servers, an SPF TXT record to prevent spoofing, CNAME records for authentication and services like Autodiscover, and SRV records for advanced features like Skype for business. So log into your cPanel and in the domain section, open Zone Editor. This is where you'll be working for all these steps. Start with the MS record. Click Add Record and choose MX record. Set the priority to 0 and in the destination field, enter your domain formatted like this, replacing your domain.com with your actual domain name but keeping the hyphens instead of dots. Save the record. This is what routes all your incoming emails to Microsoft 365. Next up is to add the SPF TXT record. Click Add Record, choose TXT record and paste this value, then save. This tells other mail servers that Microsoft 365 is authorized to send on behalf of your domain. Now add the CNAME records. Microsoft 365 requires 5 of them. Add each one individually and save it. Finally, add the 2 SRV records. This supports Skype for business and other advanced Microsoft services. Add the both and save. Once all the records are in, log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center and run the domain setup wizard. It will check all your DNS records and confirm whether everything is configured correctly. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours, so if the wizard doesn't verify everything immediately, just wait a little while and try again. Once Microsoft 365 verifies the setup, your professional email will be fully live and routing through Microsoft's cloud servers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.